In the 1920s, the pavlova dessert was created in honor of Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova during her Australasia tour. Named for its delicate, meringue-like texture mirroring her tutu, it quickly became a sensation. Early recipes from both Australia and New Zealand show variations, but the core ingredients, crispy meringue, whipped cream, and fresh fruit, remain iconic. The dessert's light, airy structure was revolutionary for its time, blending European pastry techniques with local flavors. By the late 1920s, New Zealanders claimed a 1927 recipe from Wellington chef Herbert Saxe, while Australians pointed to a 1935 version by Perth chef Bert. Historical cookbooks reveal nearly identical recipes, fueling the debate. Newspapers of the era show conflicting headlines, with each nation asserting ownership. The lack of definitive proof only deepened the rivalry, as both cultures embraced the dessert as a symbol of national pride. Post-World War II, pavlova became a staple at celebrations in Australia and New Zealand. Families served it at Christmas, summer barbecues, and community events, cementing its status as a cultural icon. Advertisements from the era depict the dessert as a symbol of joy and togetherness. Its simplicity and versatility, topped with seasonal fruits like kiwi fruit or passion fruit, made it accessible to all, further embedding it in national identity. The 1960s marked the first formal media debates over pavlova's origins. Television segments and radio shows featured historians dissecting cookbooks and travelogues. One key argument, New Zealand's 1929 Davis Dainty Dish Cookbook, included a similar recipe, while Australia highlighted earlier meringue-based desserts. Despite efforts, no consensus emerged, and the debate grew into a playful yet passionate national pastime. Academic research intensified in the 1970s-80s. Food historian Dr. Helen Leach traced New Zealand's claim to a 1927 rural cookbook, while Australian researchers cited 1930s hotel menus. The discovery of parallel recipe evolution suggested shared influences, possibly from British meringue desserts. Yet, national pride overshadowed evidence, with both sides dismissing findings as inconclusive. The stalemate only fueled public fascination. By the 1990s, the rivalry became a pop culture meme. TV comedies like Frontline and Eating Media Lunch parodied the debate, featuring absurd pavlova wars between Aussie and Kiwi characters. Cartoons depicted kangaroos and kiwis battling with whisks and fruit. This humor softened tensions, transforming the conflict into a beloved cultural inside joke celebrated by both nations. Social media amplified the debate in the 2000s. Online forums, blogs, and Twitter threads dissected historical claims, while memes compared Aussie Pav, flatter, versus Kiwi Pav, taller. Hashtags like Pavlova Wars trended during holidays. Global foodies joined the fray, often siding with their favorite nation. The digital age turned a regional dispute into a worldwide culinary spectacle. Politicians and celebrities escalated the fun in the 2010s. NZ Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern joked about pavlova diplomacy, while Aussie comedians like Tim Minchin penned satirical songs. During state visits, leaders gifted each other pavlovas as tongue-in-cheek peace offerings. These gestures highlighted the dessert's role as a unifying symbol, even amid rivalry. In the 2020s, UNESCO acknowledged pavlova as a shared cultural treasure, praising its role in Australasian heritage. Global food festivals celebrated both versions, emphasizing unity over division. Surveys revealed 60% of Australians and 70% of Kiwis now view it as a joint creation, a shift from earlier decades. The debate evolved into a celebration of trans-Tasman kinship. Today, Australia and New Zealand embrace pavlova as a shared icon. Joint tourism campaigns feature the dessert under a United Southern Cross logo, symbolizing collaboration. Chefs from both nations experiment with fusion variations, like matcha pavlova or native bush tucker toppings. The century-old debate has sweetly resolved, proving that some rivalries are best served with whipped cream.